Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing infographic in PowerPoint. So first of all, open up a blank slide and change the background fill. And you're going to give it a gray and a white gradient. As you can see, let me just choose dark gray and this white gradient, and let's change its direction. Let's give it another gradient stop. And there you go. That is all you had to do for the gradient. And now the next thing you're gonna do is add a much darker color. Go to shapes and insert the shape, and you're gonna rotate it vertically. Give it a gradient of the same as the background. Change the direction and give it a gradient. There you go. I'm gonna give it a dark red and a light orange gradient. Let's give it a preset. And there you go. Let's increase the blur rate and let's increase the size and the angle. There you go. Now the next thing you're gonna do is go to format shape and increase the angle of the shadow. Go to insert tab and insert a rectangle like this. And the next thing you're gonna do is give it the same gradient as the background and give it shadow and increase its blur and increase its size and like adjust its angle and increase its transparency. Now you're gonna go to shapes and insert a rectangle right here onto the shadow rectangle, but you have to leave out the shadow, and you're gonna change the color of the rectangle into gray as a background. You're gonna select both the shapes and group them and move them onto this shape right here. And let's move this shape forward onto the forward of the background shape. Let's increase the size of the rectangle. Adjust its size. There you go. Go to insert tab, shapes, and insert another rectangle and another circle right here onto the tip of this shape. Remove this line, but so I'm gonna add a line and I'm gonna change this color to white, and I'm gonna change the line to white as well. Insert another small circle that fits into it, in between it, and in the middle and the center of the large circle. There you go. Now decrease the size of the large circle and move the blue circle right here. Increase the transparency weight of the white circle. Move the transparency to 100. And there you go. Now the next thing you're gonna do is add a line for the small circle and give it the color of white. Change the circle's color to the same gradient as of the shape. Decrease its size. Now what I'm gonna do next is paste the shape several times and give gradient to each of the shape along with the small circle. Change the color of the small circle as same as the shape. What I'm gonna do is insert my text increase its size, bold it, change its font, and I'm gonna change the color and the gradient of the shapes. Adjust the text in the middle, and there you go. I have changed the small circles color as same as the shape, and I have put this number one text. Select these circles on the text and group them. Moving on to the second circle, we're gonna do the same, but let's change the text. This is the second shape, so we're gonna write second onto it. And let's give it the same gradient. And so there you go. Let's select this shape and give it the same gradient as that of the circle. And send the text to forward. So that's what you have to do with all the other shapes. And I'm gonna select the small and the large circle, and I'm gonna press Ctrl G to group them. And something like this. Select this circle and change its text. And there you go. Change the font. And that's all you had to do. For this shape, I'm gonna use the same gradient. And for the last shape, I have given it a gradient of dark red and orange. I'm gonna paste the same text onto the shapes. And there you go, I have pasted all the text and our shapes are complete. Now the next thing we're gonna do is select each of the shape along with the circle, along with the text, and we're gonna group it by pressing Ctrl G. There you go, let's align them. And the next thing we're gonna do is adjust the shapes. Let's remove the unwanted slides and unwanted color palettes. We're gonna select each of the shape and give them this animation of zoom. And we're gonna use animation painter and select the shape we want to give the same animation as the selected shape. So this is the final result. If you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. And if you want this template for free, be sure to write in the comment. I will send you the link.